Hi and welcome to ProControl. ProControl is an Italian actuator manufacturing company. We manufacture actuators for all different types of valves, ranging from ball, butterfly gate, globe, check, and also hip systems. We go from South America to North America, from South Africa to North Africa, Europe, Russia, Middle East, and also Southeast Asia, and of course China. We designed and engineered our products to be able to meet the most aggressive and harsh environments. We follow our customers from inquiry stage throughout the whole manufacturing process up to startup and commissioning of their plants. After many years of working in this sector, our technical engineers can offer clients special solutions to specific problems. Customers can rely entirely on the product that they are buying from ProControl. Quality is of the utmost importance. All products are fully tested before they leave the company. Product integrity, product reliability, that's what ProControl is. We need to ensure that our products are reliable and that they operate and work upon demand. The future evolution of ProControl is going to be innovation.